All right.
The chairman, organizing committee, NDUBISI 8th grade, and the entire people of Ugbo communities of local government area of Enugu State present to you the grand finale of the 2024 edition of Aju Ugbo Festival, Izo Ekwa. Aju Festival is a rite of passage performed every 3 years to mark the transition from adolescent to manhood for males between the age of 19 and 23. Aju Festival is one of the major cultural landmarks in Ugbo traditional calendar and a major event not only in Ugbo but also in many Igbo societies. The rite of passage called Izo Ekwa is the most cherished festival in the life of every Ugbo indigene. As it stands, Aju Festival is the only surviving cultural event that gravitates the Ugbo sons and daughters from all over the world in recent times. Aju Festival dates back to Ugbo history. Our ancestors conceived it as a classificatory process of grouping males into specific age grades for smooth and effective communal administration.
Ugbo Festival ka na-eme ihe a hụrụ ụmụ okorobịa na-abata ọhụrụ ndị ha ga-abụ ebe mmeta ha na-eme ha bụrụ ezigbo dị mkpa n'obodo bido soro nyewe aka na imezi obodo.
On the other hand, both seniority and age grade are seriously emphasized such that in Ugbo, old age goes with honor, dignity, and gerontocratic rights. Izo Ekwa involves various social processes aimed at initiating the adolescent into manhood as well as bonding the members of the age grade across all the entire hamlet of Ugbo. 3 days are usually set aside for the major processes. Day 1, Orie Day. All the celebrants from the kindred would converge with pomp and pageantries at their hamlet square before they proceed to the village square, specifically for the purpose of Izo Ekwa. The major hallmarks of this day is that almost all the daughters Umuada of Ugbo, both far and near, are obligated to appreciate the celebrants from their own kindred with various kinds of gifts. Day 2. On the next day, Afo. All the celebrants are inducted into the Ugbo cosmology through the Mahishi. By this orientation, all the celebrants are compelled to trek through the ancestral footpath round the major hamlets in Ugbo, ascending and descending the Ugbo hills and valleys, crossing the rivers and streams, etc. Most importantly, they are expected to display in about 15 hamlet squares in Ugbo. Their flute and song would always indicate their location at any particular time. This is strictly arranged such that the celebrants of the Ugbo Bala does not meet and clash with those of Ugbonabo. Neither would Ugbonabo encounter the Ngenobo as celebrants. The parents and relatives would wait anxiously until their sons return from the Mbahishi. Day 3, the grand finale, called Ozuzuwolibo, comes up on the next Ori Market Day. It officially and publicly unites all the celebrants of the 3 components of Ugbo at Ugbonabo, the ancestral center of Ugbo ceremonial activities. The initiator in the process fully incorporated and enculturated into the core Ugbo spiritual essence and cultural heritage. Apart from impacting the Ugbo consciousness in the initiated, the Izo Ekwa confers on the celebrants all the privileges, rights, dignity, and profound sense of belonging in the Ugbo celebrants are reminded, as in Corinthians 13 verse 11, as a child I spoke, thought, and understood as a child. Now as a man, you must put away all the childish things. It is the occasion for the central message, go ye into the world, tread cautiously as an Ugbo indigene with an audacious achievement ambience. Put differently, any male who has not performed the Izo Ekwa ceremony is considered a minor in the Ugbo world. Going by the standards of Ugbo custom and tradition, such a minor may not be allowed to marry but will not be entrusted with serious responsibilities in the community. Expectedly, every Ugbo parent looks forward with emotional excitement to a day his or her son will perform the Izo Ekwa ceremony. It is considered a thing of immense joy for a parent to witness the rite of passage of his or her own son. It is greeted with enormous fanfare, gunshots, feast, dancing groups, etc.
NDUBISI should get ready. Thank you.
Today, one day I want to go 8 years and above. Up to 20 cents. 20 cents, that is 50 years. Plus the number of years I'm going to have. No. Maybe I'm going to go
Because of the significance attached to the Aju Festival, all sons, daughters, and friends of Ugbo, both at home and in diaspora, usually strive to participate in the festival. The dignitaries that grace the event are His Excellency Dr. Barrister Peter NDUBISI, the Governor of Enugu State, highly represented by Dr. Martin Chinweke, Commissioner for Housing Enugu State, and His Excellency Senator Engineer Ositangu RG, Senator representing Enugu West Senatorial District, Federal Republic of Nigeria.
On behalf of the Governor of Enugu State, Dr. Peter Right Honorable Toby thank you. Grow for their culture. Oh yeah, that is the only way you can interpret their past and their future. Come on!
Africa. Because the buy no nanya on a home and
no nyechi.
And I
had maho idinitated.
Iboyone.
I've known you where who getting over para.
Corona Gabigono. Corona Adania.
Ahambo ada adeze chuku.
Aho nedo.
Aho oguni na ini.
21 years. Iboy.
Abu monyu monaga no bokara.
Corona aka. Oh madai. Ada ndia go sharp.
Ahambo. Chuku we very. Aduko. Aho. Irini teite.
19 years. Iboyone.
Amonyo na ngedi nugo na.
Ana ko de kwa aka. David na hone hele.
The security line aka clear ba.
We came up with one person having the highest vote or mark as score. So based on that, I will move about as well. This all here. They can ask the about two to do that. Would enter a home with 103 scores. Okay, triple blessing. 100. Ele Onyechi, 106. Chukwu Adeze, 119. Chukwu Uwa Ebere, 198. Uzodimma Tochukwu, 113. Udefi Onyechi, 120.
Thank you.
DJ Biko. Just a little bit, no?
Dr. Sylvester of the SKC, here, please. Please, quickly.
Make way for the chairman of the
Doctor, please join them. Thank you. It's a good photo. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Biko ndị niile nọ n'azụ enu na-efe na ndị achọpụ ndị anọ n'iru biko. Thank you. Your Excellency, thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Oh,
Okay. Okay. 2024.
Okay. We keep what you told me now.
Okay. Yes, sir. That's all depends on the river. Yeah. Kind of the color. I know Mark entertainment. Yes. I don't know where we'll go. Half an hour and okay.
Yes, my woman and have been a way about Aju Ugbo. I cannot have.
I can welcome, sir. Yes, sir.
DJ, hold on, please. Thank you.
Yes. Yes. Always one day work I have. Because you want to never work I like it.
Thank you so much.
Good. I ain't another Tagaracha from UK. UK need 10 million number states. I say Agaracha. And they will get Kwazakwa. And the mom will keep Wazi. Who will keep Wazi? It was to a chore. Thank you.
Grateful. That's where you look the wine in home on a man. Mozo, Moko, my agriculture. South. And you will say, I'll settle it. I can again. You are welcome, sir. I now second down. And the protocol, because you need to go. Honorable Wampo is here. Member representing Ugbo South, Yanugu State House play. I now second now. Thank you, dear. Thank you. I got Kobatunu. Because Thomas, please, you have to be here with them. Thank you. Thank you. Honorable, Biko, right honorable Toby Ugbo Traditional.
Thank you. Opportunity. Biko.
Biko kaine kwena. Biabano. Thank you.
All right.
Biabano people. Biamanda.
Ndị na-azụ ekwa bụ ndị Ugbo na-aba na-akụdịkwa aka. All the NDUBISI grade Ugbo na-abara n'ọgbọ. Aka wushiwe. Oh, Mazia, okay, Semia. Yes.
Kita